Let me tell you about the story of this girl who used to work on a cruise ship. I can still clearly remember December 1, 2018 when I met my first ever home at sea, Brilliance of the Sea. Tanda ko pa yung kaba sa dibdib habang papasok ng barko. Tama ba itong pinasok ko? Kakayanin ko kayang makisama sa mga bagong taong makikilala ko? O sapat kaya ang kakayahan ko sa paggawa ng kape para matapos ko ang halos 7 buwan na kontrata ko? Ilan lang yan sa napakaraming thoughts na sumagi sa isip ko. My journey as a seafarer was not easy. In fact, I experienced a lot of hardships along the way. Celebrating special occasions away from home became normal to me. Okay lang kasi sa barko naman, marami akong nakasama na kagaya ko na may miss din ang pamilya nila. Marami rin akong lugar na nakita na even in my wildest dream di ko mapupuntahan if not because of this job. 2 years had passed since I decided to embark on a new journey, pero di ko maiwasan mamiss yung buhay on board. Di man na ako seafarer ngayon, one thing is for sure, the memories I have working on a cruise ship will forever have a special spot in my heart.